guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick Olay PR unboxing for you guys. I was sent this from Chimeable or Chimeable. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I was sent this from them and we're gonna do a quick unboxing and that's about it. All right. Here are the contents. All right, so it says visibly renewed radiant skin all-in-one wrinkle serum. Apply nightly after cleansing and before other skin treatments. Designed with pro-retinol to smooth texture and hexa repair peptide complex to improve wrinkles and volume. And that's one of the items. And then on the back I have the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. It says by 28 days, you should be visibly lifted and deep wrinkles will appear minimized. All right, we'll see. Let's see. So we've got full size, guys. All right, I don't even know. I should have pulled this up so I could let you know the retail price, but I will annotate it so you guys know. So this is the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. Let's see if it smells like anything. Oh, so this is a very thick cream. Oh, it smells really good. Oh my God. This smells like a hair mask or like a hair conditioner. Oh my God, this smells so good. Apply a generous amount in an upward circular motion to face and neck day and night. Oh my God, I love the smell, guys. Hello. The smell is really, really good on this one. So I'm excited to try that out. And then we've got the Wrinkle Correcting Treatment Serum. So this one, the Olay Regenerist Wrinkle Correcting Treatment Serum. All right, and this one says, after cleansing, smooth a generous amount evenly over face and neck every night. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use on SPF in the daytime. I like that. This one doesn't smell like anything, but we shall try it and see. Let me know if you guys want me to keep you posted on this. All right, so that's it for my unboxing, my loves. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.